Ever wondered why your 3D prints look less like a masterpiece and more like a mess? Let's dive into it. First, check your printer's calibration. Misalignment or improper setup can lead to poor quality prints. Second, consider the filament you're using. Not all are created equal. Invest in high-quality filament for better results. Third, pay attention to your print speed. Going too fast can result in sloppy prints. Slow and steady does indeed win the race. Lastly, keep your printer clean. Dust and debris can affect the print quality. Remember, 3D printing is part science, part art. It requires patience and practice. So, keep experimenting until you get that perfect print. This was a quick guide to improving your 3D prints. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy printing.